Alrighty guys, so we're going to try to get out on another Back Bay trip. The weather looks like it might have a little hole that it's going to clear up from like 4 p.m. till 8. So hopefully by then it clears up. It's around 2-ish right now, so I'm going to wait a couple more hours and then go out. I'm super pumped. Hopefully we can get on some fish. Hopefully the weather clears up, cross our fingers, and I'll catch you guys out on the boat at our spot. Hopefully catching some stripey boys. Let's see if there's any fish that want to bite. Any rainy stripers? There we go. Got a rainy striper. Swing them. All right. That is one for the rainy stripey boys. Let's go. Let's go. Got a striper in the rain right now. See ya. I look, you want to get a bait caster fish. So let's see. Bait caster it is. Switch up the oh my goodness, this should be a fish. Oh, there it is, boys. Woohoo! There we go. Yes, sir. That's number 2 in the rain. Bring him in. Let's go. It's light work for me. Come on now. A little bit better, maybe, or same fish. Pop. Nice little fish right here, boys. Let's go. Number 2. Woohoo! Guys, it is absolutely crazy out here. It was pouring rain. We are catching stripers, which is absolutely awesome. The Back Bay, it looks absolutely amazing out here today. I'm super pumped to be getting on these fish. Let's see if we can get any more. I'll catch you guys back on the GoPro. Hopefully we'll get another striper. Yes, sir. There it is. Yup. 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 Just a fatter one. Let's go. This one's got a little more girth to her. This one's got a little girth to her. She choked it. She slammed it. Let's go. Nice little stripey boy right here. Let's go, buddy. I don't know how well you guys can see this. Nice little striper. Sending her back. Alrighty guys, we just got back to the house. As you can tell, I am completely soaked from head to toe. I thought I had a small window to go out today, but clearly not. It was downpouring, but I had just a little spite in my mind. I was like, you know what? Even if it's going to rain, I just feel like there's going to be a bite. Went out there was a bite. It was an epic day out. Day 2 of the fall season, catching more Back Bay striped bass. Super, super epic. Super pumped. These fish fight so hard. If you guys have been enjoying the content, hit that like button. Leave a comment on this video for an idea you want me to try. I got a couple in mind, but I will catch you guys in the next one. Fishing doesn't stop. You stop fishing.